Welcome to Wonderscape. Ever get your hands on a gadget so insanely cool that you wonder how you ever lived without it? Today, I'm about to blow your mind with 36 of the craziest, most useful gadgets for every corner of your home. From transforming your living room into a theater to solving everyday hassles, these picks are pure genius. Stick around. By the end, you'll be hitting add to cart faster than you can say game changer. Mini projector, $62. Imagine a 200-inch screen that turns your living room into a 4K home theater with super fast 5G Wi-Fi for zero lag. It's perfect for those epic Netflix and chill nights. Devoom Timesgate digital clock, $85. Bring cyberpunk vibes to your space with this Wi-Fi digital clock featuring 5 customizable full-color LCD screens. Stylish, smart, and seriously cool. Ice scraper, $18. Snow or ice? No problem. This dual-action tool clears snow and scrapes ice with car paint-friendly, softened bristles and an ergonomic foam handle. Winter just got a whole lot easier. Label printer, $37. Say goodbye to office chaos. Create sleek labels straight from your smartphone with this compact, portable label printer. Order in style for your home, office, or business. Couch console, $144. For movie nights that are nothing short of perfection. This setup keeps your remote, phone charger, and armrest all in one organized space. Never lose your remote again. Neck pillow, $24. Long drives will never be the same. This neck pillow molds perfectly to your neck, comes with an adjustable shoulder strap, and even has a washable cover. Comfort on the go, guaranteed. Rice cooker, $159. Whether it's white rice, sushi rice, or even porridge and casseroles, this rice cooker handles it all with 7 precise cooking phases. Delicious meals are now just a button away. Soda maker, $275. Smooth, matte black, and oh so elegant. Get fresh, sparkling water in seconds. Its stainless steel body and dishwasher-safe glass bottle mean no plastic, no fuss. Salt and pepper mills, $39. Season like a pro with these one-handed, rechargeable mills. With an LED light and 5 grind settings, perfect seasoning is always at your fingertips. Bottle opener, $15. Not your ordinary bottle opener. It features a handy collection tray so you never have to clean up pesky bottle caps again. Perfect for any party or camping trip. Cleaning kit, $12. Keep your devices spotless with this compact kit. With a soft, retractable brush, specialized tools, and extra microfiber cloths, no nook or cranny is left behind. Sharpening stone, $34. For razor-sharp knives every time, this stone has a coarse side for dull blades and a fine side for polishing, all secured on a non-slip bamboo base with an angle guide. Sharp has never been so simple. Bluetooth adapter, $26. Plug it into your car and watch it do everything. Charge your phone, connect USB devices, even make calls. Stay powered and connected on every road trip. Garment steamer, $75. Wave goodbye to ironing. Ready in just 18 seconds, this steamer's rotating heating head and turbo steam blast wrinkles away in a flash. Portable and perfect on the go. Soundbar, $129. Soundbar, $129. Upgrade your TV or PC audio with a sleek 50-watt soundbar. Crystal clear 2.0 stereo, Bluetooth connectivity, and a remote control make every beat count. Nightstand, $99. Not just a nightstand, a design statement. With 3 spacious drawers, wireless charging, USB and Type-C ports, plus customizable lighting, clutter is a thing of the past. Air humidifier, $299. Choose your vibe, warm, cool, or soft blue lighting, while this humidifier fills your home with pure freshness. Simply fill, shake, and rinse for effortless comfort. Power bank case, $19. Protect your anchor. 20,000 milliamp-hour power bank from bumps, dust, and splashes with this rugged yet sleek carrying case. Soft padding inside means your power bank stays as good as new. Key organizer, $30. Lost keys? Not anymore. Made from durable aluminum with a magnetic quick release and a large access window, this organizer keeps your keys neat and always within reach. Drink holder, $18. 2 cup holders and a phone holder in one. This flexible 360-degree rotating gadget is perfect whether you're pushing a stroller or biking. Convenience on the move. Strainer, $20. From draining dishes to washing fruits, this adjustable, dishwasher-safe drain rack fits any sink size. Ideal for small kitchens where every inch counts. Mini oven, $150. Cook your main dish and sides to perfection with dual temperature zones, 15 preset programs, and 11 accessories. A massive 23-liter capacity means it's perfect for family feasts or party dinners. Towel holder, $10. This game-changing towel holder rotates 180 degrees, letting you hang 2 towels at once. Made from rust-resistant 304 stainless steel with a brushed silver finish. Style meets function. Reading lamp, $28. Transform your evenings with this reading lamp offering 3 light colors and 6 brightness levels. Wear it outside too, so you're never left in the dark. Food huggers, $9. Keep your fruit fresh longer. These reusable, BPA-free food huggers create a tight seal around fruit halves, locking in moisture and flavor like never before. VR headset, $90. Step into another world with crystal clear 3D visuals and built-in hi-fi stereo headphones. Lightweight and comfortable, it turns every experience into an epic adventure. Thumb knife, $10. Harvest fruits and veggies effortlessly with these thumb knives, designed with a protective silicone guard to keep your fingers safe. 2-in-1 means you're always ready to slice like a pro. Silicone spoons, $15. Say goodbye to wasted chocolate. This spoon reaches every nook and cranny to scoop out every last drop. Available in multiple colors, it's a sweet little game changer. Bathtub tray, $27. Picture the perfect soak, your iPad or book, a glass of wine, and a candle all neatly arranged on this stylish, adjustable bamboo tray. Luxury and relaxation, all in one. Tea infuser, $7. For tea lovers everywhere. This stainless steel infuser features a fine mesh design, a screw-on lid, and a secure chain hook. Brewing loose-leaf tea has never been so easy or elegant. Mini washing machine, $68. Ideal for small apartments, this foldable mini washing machine tackles socks, underwear, and baby clothes with turbine rotation and ultrasound technology. Practical and powerful. Air fryer, $78. Fry, roast, grill, and bake with minimal oil using this air fryer. With 10 preset programs and a cool glass window to watch your food cook, it's convenience and versatility in one sleek package. Steam cleaner, $117. Heat up in just 10 seconds to 221 degrees Fahrenheit and blast away messes with food-grade, eco-friendly steam. Safe for kids and pets, this portable cleaner tackles even the toughest grime. Lazy stand, $18. Keep your device at the perfect angle whether you're cooking or lounging. This super stable holder rotates 360 degrees so you can always stay hands-free. Shredder, $19. Shred meat effortlessly by hand with a non-slip base, ergonomic handle, and transparent lid that lets you see the shredding magic. Dishwasher safe and perfect for veggies too. Multi-tool, $38. This compact powerhouse packs a roll-up wrench, screwdriver bits, knife, file, and even a bottle opener, all in one tool. Whether fixing things around the house or on an adventure, it's a must-have for every gadget lover. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. If even one of these sparked an idea, smash that like button and subscribe to Wonderscape for more life-changing gadget reviews. See you in the next one.